Magmadayao. I, Alexa Chloe Lumayag, a first-year tourism student at UM Tagum College. And today, we will be doing an interview to one person who currently working at the transportation sector. Sir, can you introduce yourself first?
Ako si Boyet Warag, usa ka bus driver.
Pilit na pod ka kayo isip isa ka bus driver?
5 years.
So, naa ko yung mga question and need na mo ang imuhang answer. So, this is Mr. Boyet Warag and he is my father and his work is a bus driver. Sir, isip isa ka bus driver, what are the challenges you encountered while doing your job? Or unsa ang mga problema nga inyuhang na-encounter, na-experience samtang nakadira ang job?
Ang experience na ko sa bangga mi. Wala na yung trabaho. Standby na.
Sa unsang paagi ninyo kini na solusyonan nga problema?
Mga ito, gibayran na namang tagtungod. Okay na. Balik na po may biyahe.
Okay. So, as a bus driver, sir, what advice can you give to the future tourism professionals?
Ako lang matambag nga amping jud pirmi o ampo usa ta mo larga padulong sa biyahe. Mora.
Okay. But we are happy to see that despite the challenges, our drivers or the people behind the transportation sector is still doing their job well. We appreciate you for being a reliable and professional driver. Salamat po.